everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose. Hi, it's me from the future. Just real quick, I want to say this video was recorded before George Floyd was murdered, before the whole uprising, and that's why I don't mention anything about it in this video. I did want to share it with you to spread some joy and positivity while we hopefully all work on ourselves, on our own white privilege, our understanding, and take action to help the Black Lives Matter movement. So I hope you forgive me for not mentioning it any further during this video, but I hope you do take action and look into yourself and discuss with your friends, preferably if you are white, your white friends, and start conversations about racism and Black Lives Matter. Thank you. I have an unboxing slash haul video for you today with several of my wishlist plants. I still can't believe it. I bought this 2 days ago from a friend, and I was so quick with deciding and paying that I don't even have it settled in that this is one of my wishlist plants, possibly one of the top 2. So I'm gonna save that for a second. Let's open this little box first. This is a Hoya cutting plant, rooted cutting, I don't know, that I bought from a friend. How do I open this? Her name is Ans, and she has a lovely, huge Instagram page actually called Urban Jungling, and she also has a blog where she shares a lot of information. I've learned a lot from her actually about Hoya, so how to take care of them and what the different kinds need and stuff. She has a lot of knowledge, so definitely go check her out. And she had a sale on her Instagram page that I got this plant from. This looks a little bit murderous. And this is actually a really cool Hoya that I've been looking at for a while. I think I can see it. I'm just gonna, oh no, I cleaned yesterday. I cannot throw everything on the floor. I have to keep it safe. Oh, there it is. Wait, that looks different. Hold on. Wait! I see some leaves that are not connected to this plant. Ans, what are you doing to me? This is the... Let's focus. This is the plant I bought. Look at how big these leaves are. I love it. She had several cuttings for sale, and I just bid on the ones that I liked. I think I bid on like 4. And in the end, luckily, I only won 1 because I don't need 4 of this. But look how big that is. That is insane. That's beautiful. I hope this is going to grow well for me. It has 2 little stems, so I'm excited to see the roots. I'll check them out in a little bit. This is going to fall over, isn't it? Stay. Stay. No? Okay. It's going to rest here on his little friend that I'm going to tell you about in a moment. No! No! Ans! Ah! This is if I'm right, a Hoya Deikii cutting with a new little growth point. This has been on my wish list for a while. That's adorable. Ans, how did you... Thank you so much. I've never seen these IRL before, and I didn't know many Dutch people who even own them. Oh, it's so adorable. I love new Hoya leaves. It looks like a little person who first goes like this, and then slowly they go like, and then they open the other. Sorry, maybe this is weird, but that's my thing. I do impressions of plants. If you haven't seen it yet, I did an impression of my Florida ghost as well, how they open. It's really fun. Thank you so much. And I know there's a few more, so let's check them out. I actually don't know what this is. The really juicy, succulent leaves. I think this is a new growth point, so there's another new point coming. I hope I can root these and make you proud. I hope I can figure out what they are as well. Thank you so much. And there's one more. Look. What is that? These leaves, oh, let me show you up close. These are super succulent big leaves with a little new growth point in there. I don't know if you can see. I'll add in some close-ups at the end of this video of all the plants. I don't know what this is. It has a lot of aerial roots, so that's awesome. This is going to be great to root. But look at the little leaves. This is very cute. And then at the end here, there's a new growth point, so I hope I can keep that going. I don't know if there is like a note or just paper. I may have to send her a message to ask for the ID of these plants, because I don't know. Thank you so much. This is too much and I'm so happy. I'm really, really excited. I hope I'm able to root all of these because I'm still a Hoya beginner, but we will see. What first? Shall we open this first or the... Let's do the Monstera first. Screw it. Let's start with this one. So today I was at Global Garden and you will have seen that in a different video, but I'm gonna collaborate with them and give away this Monstera. But look, this is Monstera that has secondary holes already. That's why I really, really like it. Secondary fenestrations, if you want to use the correct words. I love how it looks. There's a lot of white in the stem, but in a healthy way. If you can see here, it looks like a, what do you call them? Like a sugar cane, I think that's the word, with lots of white bits. So that's going to create some beautiful variegation. And this second leaf has half green and then half variegated, which I think is stunning. And it also has a secondary hole, secondary fenestration. This first leaf has no fenestrations, but it's beautiful also. And you can actually see here where it was cut, that it is a cutting from a huge chunky stem. So I guess that's why it gets these secondary fenestrations. And that's also, ooh, do a little head test. So we've got this one, and then we've got this one as well. This is one leaf. Oh, I cannot show you. So nice balance of white. And then these two are more sectoral variegation, which I absolutely love. And some of you guys also love, but I know some of you prefer the more mottled look also because it's healthier for the plant. And this one I love especially because, but also that's a little bit of a danger because the stem is so white. So if you look here, you'll see that this is exactly half in the stem. And then on this side, you'll see the little sugarcane variegation, like the lines going up it. But on the other side, the stem is fully white. I don't think this is going to focus on the stem with my face here, but hopefully you can see. And that is amazing. I think you guys will love it, but it is also a risk. Still has plenty of green to be healthy, but like, you know, the almost completely white plants that are basically going to die. If you didn't know this, plants need the green part to get food so that they can keep growing. If you have a fully white plant like this, it's just going to drain energy from the plant, and then in the end, it's going to wither and die. So if you've heard this 20 times already, I'm sorry, but it's for the people in the back. I mean, I'm happy to own this and see what happens. Let's move it a little bit this way so you guys can see. There. So, the last box. Let's keep going. This is from my friend Larissa. She is loving Monstera on Instagram. And she has amazing plants. And she does a lot of propagations. And sometimes she sells them on her Instagram page. And this plant I've been eyeing up, thank you darling, for a long time. It says, enjoy your ... I'm not going to tell you what plant it is yet. That's my boyfriend saying bad words. So this is how it's wrapped, with the little peanuts and some paper. It's in here, it's in here, it's in here. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. There we are. Still looks like a micans, but it is not. This is my melanochrysum plant. Yes, my melanochrysum. Can you believe it? How adorable! Look at the new leaf! I hope this guy can grow quick. I heard that they can if they are happy, and it's gonna live in my terrarium for a while. It's beautiful. It's tiny and it's beautiful. I actually don't know if these are already rooted. I think they are. I see some roots here, I think. So I'm gonna pop that back in. Can you believe it? I got several wishlist plants in one day. I feel very lucky. Oh, by the way, I paid 30 euros for this plant without shipping. And I think shipping was like 7 euros. And these guys at Global Garden, in case you just want to buy your own, these are 70 euros. And I bought the, I didn't even tell you what this is. The Hoya Macrophylla variegata. Yeah, I think it's just variegata. I bought this for 10 euros. And it was bidding, so I was lucky to get that because some others went up to 15, I think. So yeah, what do you think? Was this a good haul video? I feel pretty lucky. I'm gonna show you everything. I cannot believe it. Thank you so much to Global Garden for collaborating with me. You'll see that on my Instagram soon. This is gonna be an Instagram giveaway. Thank you so much to Larissa for selling me her beautiful baby. And thank you so much to Ans for the cutting that I bought and then the spare cuttings. Thank you so much. I couldn't have even imagined this. I didn't even know you had this plant. Okay, stop obsessing over Hoyas. People are here for the aeroids. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and comment below which plant you like the most. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Ooh, wearing a thong bikini!